Today we will be making tinfoil snowman. So the link to if you want like pictures, if you can't picture them in your head and make your own pictures, the link to a version of this with pictures is in the description below. Now anyways, let's get into this version. 1. Make 2 tinfoil balls, one bigger than the other one. 2. Cover the balls with more tinfoil with the smaller one on top. 3. Use a permanent marker to draw eyes and a mouth. If you want, you can stop here. Optional 4. Use the white glue to glue on a nose and you're done. I know this is a short video, guys, so I'm just gonna do the weather forecast. So Weather Network. -0 feels like -2. Wait, what? SpaceX Starship explodes upon landing after spectacular test flight. See the final seconds here. Okay, I'll leave a link to the Weather Network in the description too. So, a few clouds tonight. Partly cloudy in the evening, becoming mainly clear overnight. Saturday, sunny into the afternoon. Seriously, sunny, scattered flurries, cloudy with sunny breaks, snow, cloudy with showers, rain, and then in the night. Okay, any weather risks, snowfall risk, be aware. Snowfall risk for Sunday. 1. Let's see this risk. Thunderstorm risk. Saturday? Nope. Friday? Nope. But anyways, we are nearing the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Dillovirus. Okay? So, like, subscribe, and click those notification bells, and goodbye.